Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to open a coconut. Cracking open a coconut might sound like something out of survival show, but once you know the technique, it's surprisingly doable and totally worth it. First thing first, before you go all in with the hammer, let's talk about those little dimples on the coconut. Those are called the eyes, 3 dark spots on the end, one of 2 of them are usually soft enough to poke through, and that's how we're going to drain the juice. Preheat your oven to 375 Fahrenheit. We'll use it later to help loosen the meat. You'll need a clean screwdriver or something to tap with. You don't need to sanitize the hammer since it won't touch the inside. Now hold the coconut firmly, place the tip of your screwdriver on one of the soft eyes and give it a firm tap. Drive in about 1 to 2 inches, pull it out and repeat on another eye to allow the airflow. Pour the coconut water through a fine mesh strainer into a bowl or cup. You'll get around 103 or 102 cup per coconut. This juice is great for drinking, cooking or using smoothies. And that's it. Now you have a fresh coconut meat ready to eat, bake, shred or blend. Natural coconut water, which is perfect for sipping or cooking, or a cool shell which you can compost, use as a bowl or just show off. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.